Perfex Corporation is your trusted supplier of contamination control products for over 95 years. TruCLEAN mopping systems are designed to meet the critical cleaning standards of controlled environments. Manufactured with industrial-strength stainless steel components and heat-resistant polypropylene buckets, TruCLEAN 2 mopping system is lightweight and compact, perfect for cleaning and disinfecting in confined areas. Bucket-in-bucket design easily isolates contaminants from cleaning agents. Durable 36-liter bucket includes embossed graduations for accurate measure and 3-inch twin-wheel casters. The smooth, non-porous polypropylene surface prevents microbial growth. Electro-polished stainless steel wringer distributes pressure evenly for effective moisture control in mop heads. Hundreds of apertures on calibrated pressure plates release contaminants into the waste collection bucket. Simplify standard operating procedures and maximize operator adaptability with the TruCLEAN 2. TruCLEAN mopping systems are compatible with gamma, ethylene oxide, and autoclave sterilization. TruCLEAN mopping systems by Perfex, the pioneers of clean room disinfection. For more information, visit perfex.com.